Now, all of these cryptos have given incredible returns over the past 10 days, and I don't believe they're anywhere near done. There is so much more room to run much higher. And I don't think it's too late to get in on these guys. You are still getting in early, especially Decentraland. What is up, everybody? My name is Adam and welcome back to Broke Man Finance. A few videos back, I did one on the metaverse and what stocks and cryptos I thought were going to benefit greatly from the whole metaverse thing. Feel free to go check that out where I explained them a little more in depth. Several cryptos were mentioned and are now in the middle of great run-ups. The three cryptos I mentioned were Enjin Coin, the Sandbox, and Decentraland. At the time, Enjin was $1.78, ranked number 78, and now they are ranked number 64 and are sitting at $3.18, well, at least at the time of this filming. The Sandbox was ranked 118, sitting at 78 cents, and now they are ranked number 70 and are sitting at $2.53. Lastly was Decentraland. Now in the first video, Decentraland was ranked number 80 and trading for around 77 cents. Well, they went on an incredible run here recently and at one time was trading around $4.69 for the high. They've since dropped back down to where they are now, and that's around $2.71 again at the time of this filming. I'm sure it's probably changed by the time you see this. Sometimes we just get lucky on timing. I know I certainly did. And if you like those kind of returns, then make sure you smash that like button and you remember to subscribe so we can help you stay informed on things like the metaverse and Decentraland. Now, all of these cryptos have given incredible returns over the past 10 days, and I don't believe they're anywhere near done. There is so much more room to run much higher. And I don't think it's too late to get in on these guys. You are still getting in early, especially Decentraland. And stick around for multiple price predictions on Decentraland that I'm pulling from all over the Googles. If you're not sure why Decentraland and others had such a big rally, you can thank Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook. Decentraland is a metaverse token. And recently, old Zuckerberg announced that his company's name would be changed to Meta, and that there would be a large focus on the metaverse moving forward. A metaverse is a virtual reality experience where users can interact with others. Meta actually means beyond, and verse, well, is from universe. Once Zuckerberg made this announcement, all the metaverse tokens took off, especially Decentraland's native token Mana, which is an ERC20 token, which is just a smart sounding way, a techie way to say that it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. That's it. When compared with other cryptocurrencies, Decentraland stands out with its own unique trading experience. Specifically, Decentraland operates as a blockchain-based cryptocurrency that models itself as a world owned by its users. Literally. Users can create scenes, graphics, challenges, as well as trade digital assets including land, estates, and avatar apparel. Yes, I said land. Users can own property and own real estate in this virtual world. Imagine owning property in this virtual world and leasing it out to advertisers. A lot of people believe virtual land and virtual property could be the next big real estate boom. What a time to be alive. Truthfully, it's much like playing a popular multiplayer online game such as Activision Blizzard's World of Warcraft. However, in this world, you will see some adulting going on, such as meetings, presentations, and attending events with your own unique avatar. Imagine sitting there and watching and waiting for your friends, your best friend's unique avatar, to walk in to sit next to you while you're sitting at home on your couch. Did everyone see the video of Mark Zuckerberg fencing? Both being at their own homes, but because of the metaverse, they were able to spar or at least something to that effect. That's the idea of where they're wanting to get to, where this other world becomes the norm. Now, I will say, Decentraland has the potential to become meme-ish, which wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing because that brings a lot of people in. Although it does have actual utility and could be a big part of this brave new world, whenever you have these fast run-ups plus the association with Facebook or Meta, whatever, then you have a recipe for something to get a lot of attention and to become very meme-ish. I'm a hodler of Meta. So I only say that to say that we could see some really big drop-offs. So don't, because there's going to be a lot of volatility. So don't invest into anything. Don't invest anything into this that you're not willing to lose. This is certainly a risky play, but anytime you get in early on anything, there is a much higher level of risk. But my personal opinion is with the this onset of the metaverse stuff, we are going to see some great returns. But if you're looking to YOLO some dinero, let's look at some price predictions, and also I'll follow it up with where you can buy some. According to CoinCora, they believe Mana will reach $50 within the next 4 years. That's a price prediction, an optimistic price prediction I'm sure we all like to hear. Trading Education predicts the Mana price will pass $4.50 by the end of 2025. I find that hard to believe since we've already hit above that so easily. By 2025, it'll be much, much higher than $4.50. They need to reevaluate that, in my humble non-financial advisor opinion. Long Forecast finds Mana's price might triple within the next 5 years and believes it should be a good long-term investment with a clear bull run. I think that they're correct on this is a good long-term investment, and we are certainly going to see a bull run, but I think triple price, I think that's a definite. That triple in price is going to be a given, but it will be much, much sooner than 5 years. And these predictions are certainly mixed. For example, Wallet Investor thinks it will rise to $3.61 in the next 12 months and $7 in 5 years. They need to take a step back and punt on this one, because if Zuckerberg farts metaverse, it's going to go up past $3.61 easily. Meanwhile, the coin price forecast sees this price more than tripling to $11.85 by the end of the year, $22.74 by the end of 2022, and $82.27 at the conclusion of 2025. And those numbers may seem crazy to us right now, but I think those numbers are actually more realistic than the $4 to $6 range when we're talking about over the next 5 years. And you may want to buy some sooner than later, according to some folks on the interwebs, because they are feeling like a breakout is coming. And here are just a couple of social media posts. Mana, hashtag Mana Coin, should be interesting soon. Probably last chance before the breakout, ? Decentraland, Mana being sent. And of course, users on Reddit are always jumping into the mix, which, well, that's always fun. With Facebook pushing this in the press, and I haven't even got into Microsoft, who's been gearing up for this thing quietly now for a very long time. And with Mana as one of the leading metaverse tokens, it seems that they could be a big part of these ecosystems for these mega companies. Now, I'm sure at some point Facebook and Microsoft, these massive companies, I could see them having their own tokens at some point for their own network, for their own ecosystem. But what about these other companies that don't want to have that? I believe they will rely on other established networks like Mana. Now, Mana can be bought on Binance, eToro, Voyager, Kraken, Coinbase, just to name a few. Let us know in the comment section below some other platforms that has Decentraland available. As always, I hope you stay safe, I hope you get rich, and we will see you soon.